Today my topic is about women empowerment in Islam. Women empowerment means giving equal rights and opportunities to women in education. Women in past, women were not allowed to work or go outside. But today, women are becoming doctor, ICE officers, pilots, and so on. Example: Kalpana Chawla PV Sindhu proved that women can achieve anything. The government is also helping through schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Even money problems exist like safety issues, unequal pay, and school dropout villages. To improve this, we must change our thinking. Ladka ladki ek saman should be our motto. When a woman is educated, the whole family progress. So, a strong woman means a strong nation. So, I conclude my topic with these golden lines. चूल्हे से निकल कर अब चांद को छू ले तू, खामोशी की जंजीर को अब तोड़ दे तू, कल तक जो कहते थे उन्हें ना माना है, आज उन्हीं के लिए आसमां बना ले तू. Thank you. Have a nice day.